So we're back on the road. Today in Andorra. Today we will be making our way to the highest paved road of the Pyrenees. And then we will continue our way to Barcelona. My night was really good. It was really nice that I could sleep for a cheap price and a real bed. Because my tent is a bit too small for me. I always touch with my feet and my head in my tent, and it's not really comfortable. Also, I'm a bit worried that my tire has an uneven wear pattern, because there's a bald spot in the profile, and I'm not sure if I should change it yet, because otherwise the tires look good. But I'm pretty sure my tires have a few more miles in them. I just have to be really careful in the rain. So guys, we're getting quite close to the highest paved road in the Pyrenees, but for some reason the scenery and the road is not matching. Like, we still have gas stations and everything. Like on the other high mountain pass, everything started to look like high mountain really quickly. But I mean, we still have 9 kilometers to go. One thing I really dislike about getting gas in Spain and in Andorra, I like pumping my gas myself. I do not like when there's someone who puts gas into my bike that's not me. Like, oh yeah, this is the view I'm talking about. Because I don't like the fear of someone putting in the wrong gas. I once had the situation where someone at a more premium gas station in Germany put gasoline into my diesel car, and that was really shit. So we're 7 kilometers away from the highest paved mountain place. I see something like a weather station up there. I'm wondering if we can go all the way up there. I doubt it. The bike is just struggling its way up here. About to be overtaken by a bike with more power for this. Oh, this is an incredible view. Ooh, this is what I'm talking about. So I'm pretty sure we're already above 2,000 meters. So we probably have about 400 meters more to go in height. But I must say, even though this is the highest point, I think some of the other roads we have seen so far... Ooh, the view! Oh, fuck it. They're already impressive. I wanted to say that some of them have been maybe a bit more impressive, but... honestly, this is also just incredible. Oh, there's the weather station we saw earlier. It's really impressive. So we're at 2,400 meters. So this is how the other side looks. Ooh, there's a little karting track. Incredible. I think over there is the French side of the Pyrenees already, because I think one of the turns we were able to make is really close to the border pass. But to be honest, I must say the Col de Tourmalet, I thought that was more impressive. Like, I liked driving up the Col de Tourmalet more. Also, I think I'm pretty much done with the Pyrenees now. I had enough of the Pyrenees and will now continue my way to Barcelona. curvy roads here are amazing. I'm having a ton of fun. I'm having a small stop to get something to drink and walk a few steps. But the curves here, as you can see, are amazing on my way to Barcelona. So we're now basically out of the Pyrenees. I've just gotten some gasoline and now we will do the last 1.5 hours to Barcelona. I think I will be getting a hostel there for myself because I want to socialize with people and maybe go to a discotheque or a bar, because I've seen so many reels on Instagram about how great that is supposed to be in Barcelona. So I will do that. Even though I'm not that much of a big discotheque kind of guy, I will give it a shot. Also, it's a good chance to improve my Spanish, because my Spanish still absolutely sucks, and that should change too. Also, sadly, my main camera has some issues. I'm currently recording with my second camera, and I will try to fix them when I'm at the hostel as well. I think it's some kind of software issues. I will try to run some updates and maybe change the SD card, because the SD card has quite a huge level of gigabytes, and I think maybe my camera is just not coping well with that. Also, when we've reached Barcelona, we will go up the coast on our way to Morocco. So our main goal, Morocco, is getting closer and closer. I think that maybe somewhere down the road I will need new tires on this trip, because the middle line of my profile is not visible anymore, but there's still some lines on the side, so the tire should still be good for a few more kilometers, but not many. Pretty sure that from like a legal standpoint the tire is already fucked, basically. But as long as there's no rain, I should be good. We're getting really close to Barcelona now. I've already been driving through some neighborhoods. This is for some reason a little curvy road in between. There's the sign for Barcelona. Okay. Oh, we're getting an incredible view from up here. Barcelona, when I'm properly in Barcelona. With the amount of motorcycles parked on the street, it should be alright if I do the same. Come on, dude. No. Oh, come on. Honestly, Barcelona is apparently the city of the red stoplights. Oh, it would be cool if we now just get a good run without a red star. Oh, come on. Oh, the heat is just... Oh yeah, that's one of the things. The heat is back. In the Pyrenees, it was all good. Not all good, but easier. And here it's just soul-crushingly hot again. Hey guys, I'm now out in Barcelona and I'm hungover from last night because I was out with people from the hostel clubbing till 5, and I will now be doing some sightseeing. I enjoyed my day in Barcelona so far, but it's just incredibly hot. I'm really happy that I'm not on the bike today. But even here in the city it was kind of unbearable. And tomorrow I will continue my trip to Morocco.